Hello, good evening. Alright, we'll continue our lesson on surd from where we left out yesterday. Okay, today we are going to look at making and verifying conjectures of square root of a times square root of b and square root of a divided by square root of b. Okay, now the law says for a and b, if they are both greater than 0, first law says the square root of a times the square root of b. This is the surd of a times the surd of b equals to surd of ab. That's the first law. The second one says surd of a divided by b, surd of b equals to surd of a divided by b. Okay, this is the second law. Alright, so for simple examples, okay, this is how it goes. When you have surd of 2 times 3, this becomes 2 times 3. So we get surd of 6. Okay. Alright, likewise here. So this is the first law. Surd of 8 divided by surd of 3. So you'll actually get 8 over 3. So this is law 2. Alright. Okay. Coming to this, surd of 20 over surd of 5. So this will be 20 over 5, which will actually be, this is a 4. So surd of 4 is actually 2. Alright. Okay. So we move on, next one. Okay, let's say you're having an expression that involves surd and you want us to simplify this in a form of A, surd of B. Alright, so let's say you have got numbers. Okay, example, this is 90. So normally what we do is we pick, example like 90. 90 can be actually 9 times 10. Okay, so we square root all of this. So this becomes 9 and 10. So this is actually square root of this is actually 3 square root of 10. So that will be your answer. Right? Okay. Here 18 can be 9 times 2. So this becomes 9 times 2. So you'll actually get 3 square root of 2. Alright? Okay. One more example. Let's say I've got this is an expression. So they want us to simplify. So normally what we do is the number, we multiply it by the number times, okay, surd of 2 times 2. So this will become a 6. Okay, now this times this. Okay, if you remember back in indices, if you have a square root, this is actually to the power of half. So times this one will also be power half. So what you actually get is under indices, this is half plus half, which gives you 2 to the power of 1, which actually evaluates to 2. So that means this becomes, this one here is actually a 2. So that should get 12. Okay. Alright, likewise here. This is a square root of 81 and then you have a square. Okay. So now if you remember under surd, square root of 81 is actually 81 to the power of half. And you square this, you actually square this. Sorry. This is actually 81 and that's 2. So what happens is this and this will actually cancel out. So that leaves behind 81. So the answer is 81. Okay. Or another option answer will be, this one can be 81 is actually 9 times 9. And you're going to square this. So this will be square root of 9 times a square root of 9 and a square. So So this is 3 times 3 and you square it. So it's 9 squared, you still come to 81. So either way, it's the same answer. Alright. Okay. So another 2 examples. So 12 will be, it's a 4 times 3. So we actually get square root of 4 times square root of 3. This is 2 square root of 3. Okay. Alright, 32 will be, 32 can be 16 times 2. Alright, so 16 square root of 2. So this is 4 square root of 2. Alright, okay, one last one. 108. 108 can be 9 times 12. Okay, probably I would break this up further. I would say 12 can be 4 times 3. So this is actually square root of 9, square root of 4, square root of 3. So this is 3, this is 2, this is square root of 3. So you'll actually get 6 square root of 3. Okay? Alright? Okay. So these are some simple examples. So what I would like you to do is, this is your work, right? For your next class. Skill practice 4.4 and skill practice 4.5. So can you please complete the questions? Thank you.